Hello guys, in this video I would like to explain about to deploy the model, and we have done all the videos about each of these steps so far, and we are here now to deploy the model. So if you don't know about the videos before, we have done about each step, and there is a general video about the overview of the data science process. You can watch these videos. The links are given in the description of this video, so you can start from here, from the general overview, and then you can see there is a video for each steps in detail. And now we are at deploy the model. So deploy the model, that's mean that you have already trained and test and evaluated the model, which we have done in the previous videos. Then you need to deploy the model. So let's go and see what steps we need to do in deploy the model. You can see here, okay, as steps and model training, we have done these steps in the training and testing the model. So now you have to deploy the model. For test and training and evaluation of the model, you need to see the previous videos. The links are given to those videos in the description of this video. Deploy the model. Integrate the trained model into a production environment. So now you have the trained model, you have trained the model with the trained data, and then evaluated the model. So you need now to proceed further. What are the objectives of your study? That's depend on what you have done in the first step, where you try to you try to state to state the problem and set the objective for your study. That's depend on that. Monitor the performance to ensure it's remain accurate and reliable. So you can see these things during the training and testing duration. But in deployment, you need to see you can check these things. So I will say, okay, now deploy the model. That's mean what are the objective of your study? That can be classification, that can be prediction, like using machine learning model in the regression framework, or that can be forecasting and in the time series analysis, like time series analysis and forecasting. So that's mean you are using machine learning model in the time series framework, or maybe others. So you can deploy the model and do the specific objectives which have set in the first step of your data science process. Yeah, so you can do, and that's depend again, I will say, on the objective of your study. Key consideration: cross validation. Use technique like K4 cross validation to ensure model robustness. So this is actually before deployment. You need to see these to have these consideration during the model training. Yeah, this may not be the part of this video, but this is important to know that what you need to do during the training period, what key consideration you need to do to have robust model output, or you can say robust performance of the model. So you can have these have these key consideration during the training period, and then you need to deploy the model, and that will that can improve the performance of your model during the deployment of the model. So K4 cross-validation: use techniques like K4 cross-validation to ensure model robustness, feature selection, eliminate redundant or irrelevant features to improve model repeatability and efficiency. So you don't need to use all the features, or all you can say all the predictors. Maybe you do need some of them, so you can eliminate some of them by, and you can use this by shape plot. We will have a separate video on the shape plot. What is mean by that plot? The shape plot is HAP plot, is the plot which give you the details of the importance of each predictor, relative importance of each predictor in your machine learning model. So we will have a separate video on feature selection and feature generation as well. Bias variance trade-off: balance underfitting high bias and overfitting high variance, the optimal performance. Automation tool like AutoML can help automate the model training and hyperparameter tuning process. Yeah, of course you can use AutoML as well, and we have done a separate video on this. The link is given in the description of this video, so you can see what is mean by AutoML. So this video was about to deploy the model. So after training, testing, evaluation, and you can deploy the model for specific objectives. And remember that during training period, you can have this consideration to have a good performance of the model. Okay, so I think this is enough for today about deploy the model, and see you in the next video. Ciao.